Okay, now I'm going to prepare one of the most popular elaboration or ingredients we need on pastry. That can be clarified butter or Nуазет butter. What mean clarified butter? That, you know, butter is an emulsion between water and fat, or we can say just butter, fat, or milk. Okay, we have these two ingredients there, an emulsion. So what happened? First, we need to separate. We need to melt it. We are going to melt the butter, and we are going to cook the butter until evaporate all the milk. And this final product is going to be clarified butter. And we have a second option, that is continue cooking until caramelize all the lactose from the butter, and we are going to get Nуазет butter or caramelized butter. So we are going to see that process now. First, we need a pot, we need the butter, and just a spatula or whisk. We are going to use a whisk, just to make sure our lactose is not coming in caramelization on the bottom of the pot. So first, our induction here, and we are going to boil until all the water disappear from the butter. So we put it all inside, just switch on in a high medium temperature, and just we are going to see that the butter start to boil, and after that all the water is going out, and we will stop and we'll take out clarified butter, dry butter, without any liquid. Normally, for which type of recipes we use clarified butter? Normally we use into the croustillants clarified butter without water, without liquid. Also, we can have some of recipe of ganache, some of or recipe of caramel toffee for bonbons. That's normally we need this type of butter. Okay, so it's very simple. Just first melt. We can see that water start to go out. Just be careful. So very important, be careful yourself with your hand. So just we can see all the water is going out. And that's the most important process to clarify butter. Okay? So that's also is very important to move all the time. To don't stop to move, to make sure that lactose is not coming in caramelization on the bottom, on the base of the pot. So just moving, and we see all the water is going out for evaporation. We're going to reduce the speed. We can see that's boiling. It's because of water, so it's boiling all the time. We can see a lot of bubble, but after that, it's not going to boil anymore because the water is going to finish. It's going to not be anymore. See that we reduce the quantity of bubbles. Water disappear from inside, so it's going out. And see more small bubbles, and we can see no more. It's until boiling, but it's no more water. It's no water going out because it's already out. So in this moment we are going to get almost clarified butter, clarified or dry butter. So we can continue. It's just a small bubble, just a little water. Not that much now. We can see until it's cooking and it's less bubble. So that's what we want normally for recipe of bonbons. Just the part of the fat and the flavor of butter. We don't want extra water. Just to control the activity, just to control the activity of water into the ganache. So it's almost ready. I can see when it stopped to boil. See, now we have not water anymore. It's just the fat, and just I'm going to show you that I'm going to take it out all. And we see, normally, we can see just butter is not separate, it's not milk on bottom, so that's we call clarified butter. And that is what we are going to use for some of recipes and pastry. So we continue cooking our butter. So we want to get Nуазет butter. So we just continue cooking. It's almost as similar than to have clarified butter. But now to get Nуазет, we just need to roast it, all the lactose. It's called Nуазет butter because of the color and the smelling. It's smelling almost like a roasted Nуазет or hazelnut, roasted hazelnut. So that's the reason we call. So it's already, see, starting caramelization. We can see the color. So that's the moment to take it out. If you want to use thermometer, that the temperature is be 140 degrees. Okay, so just we're going to use strain. We're going to see and see in the bottom. We can see that the caramelized lactose. We can see that's the color from the milk. Okay, it's coming dry, coming roasted. Okay, so here is our Nуазет butter, almost ready. See the color? It's a Nуазет or roasted hazelnut color. So we are ready. That's our Nуазет butter. See you later.